Welcome to Remedy Science. Today, we're exploring the incredible health benefits packed inside these little wonders. Let's dive in. Almonds. Rich in vitamin E, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Almonds promote heart health, improve skin complexion, and boost brain function. Walnuts. High in omega-3, fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals. Walnuts support brain health, reduce inflammation, and may lower the risk of heart disease. Cashews. Good source of iron, magnesium, and vitamin K. Cashews support bone health, aid in blood clotting, and boost immune function. Pistachios. Low in calories and high in protein. Pistachios aid in weight management, improve eye health, and lower cholesterol levels. Raisins. Rich in iron, potassium, and antioxidants. Raisins improve hemoglobin levels, support heart health, and aid digestion. Dried figs. High in fiber, calcium, and potassium. Figs promote digestive health, strengthen bones, and support cardiovascular health. Prunes. Excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Prunes aid in digestion, prevent constipation, and support bone health. Apricots. Rich in vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. Apricots improve vision, support heart health, and aid in digestion. Coconut. Rich in healthy fats and fiber. Coconut supports digestive health, boosts energy, and promotes skin and hair health. Pine nuts. Good source of protein, magnesium, and antioxidants. Pine nuts support heart health, aid in weight management, and boost energy. There you have it. The secret to a healthier, happier you lies in these delicious bites. So, snack smart and stay healthy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating content.